Hello, everyone. Shannon here again with Fit for Profit. And today I want to talk to you about 5 financial tasks or to-dos that you should have on your calendar to do at the end of every calendar quarter. So in my mind, the first and most important is that you should be taking a profit distribution from your business. Hopefully you've set up profit first in your business and you have a balance in your profit account. You're going to take a portion of that. How much depends on some specific things in your business. If you have debt, you'll take less, but we have other videos on that. So if you're not sure how to take a profit distribution, definitely find that video. We can also link it in the description. But you should be taking a profit distribution at the end of every quarter. At the same time, you should be doing an analysis of that profit distribution. And there's really kind of 2 analyses that you need to do. One is super quick. Is the amount that you had to distribute this quarter more than last quarter? If yes, good. Everything's on the right track. If not, you should be looking into that and figuring out why not, because that usually means that something happened in your business and that's a red flag for you to look into something more. And at the same time, you should also be doing another instant assessment. Now, if you're using our dashboard, that's being done for you, and it is right there on the right-hand side where it has your quarterly numbers all gathered together. It will tell you the actual percentages that you allocated into each of your accounts. If you aren't using the dashboard, you can definitely get a dashboard or run an instant assessment. How much did you actually allocate into your accounts? If you ever had to transfer out of an account when you weren't really supposed to, then that changes your allocation percentages, and you want to know how much that is so that you can adjust your allocation percentages for the next quarter. So that's part of the profit analysis, is what are your allocation percentages going to be for the next quarter? Are you going to keep them the same, or are you going to aim for higher profitability next quarter? Hopefully that's the answer. The third thing that you need to do then every quarter is review, can you make an adjustment to your owner's pay? One of the goals of Profit First is to pay yourself consistently and an increasing amount. So we could increase it every quarter. If the balance in your owner's pay account is more now than it was 90 days ago, then you can probably take a raise. So look at, can I pay myself more for the next quarter? Fourth thing you need to do every quarter is an expense analysis. Looking through your expenses, whether that's in your accounting software, on your bank statements, those are the 2 easiest ways, and figuring out if there are any expenses that you're not using to the best of their abilities, that you're not using at all, that you're paying too much for. Those are the big 3 things. If they are not efficient for you in your business, can you get rid of them over the next, hopefully, week, month, at least quarter, right? Start doing that. But you need to do that expense analysis to know if you can do that or not. And then 5th, the final thing that I'm going to talk about today is I suggest you need to be meeting with a profit coach, somebody that will guide you through all of these things and hold you accountable to doing these things on a quarterly basis. Because I know it's very easy to get rid of or to bypass doing that, to say, oh yeah, I'll get to that next week. And all of a sudden it's like halfway through the quarter. And then you're like, oh, I'll just do it next quarter. So somebody to hold you accountable to doing those things. So if you don't have a profit coach, or if you are struggling with any of those things, I would invite you to book a call at fitforprofit.com/Facebook-FB-connect. That will take you to our alignment assessment. You can fill that out, give us some information about yourself, book a call with one of our coaches so that we can let you know how we can help you do each of those tasks at the end of every quarter so that you are increasing the profitability and the financial health of your business every single quarter, increasing it quarter over quarter over quarter.